Power trick or trade. Alright people, I got a plan here for NFLX. NFLX is set up to test. I will explain inside the video. Also, I will talk about the options. That's right, people. So basically, NFLX is also a plan that I like. It's more of a short-term plan, but I like it on a specific confirmation number that I'll be looking for. So Netflix needs to, I will explain inside the video. That's right, people. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be posting a plan for Netflix inside of Power Group Trades. The options I'm going to use, the targets that I'm expecting, and so on and so forth. But so let me show you what I mean. Let me show you something. So here's Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. You should read this pin tweet video. It explains everything. But basically, you're going to go to my YouTube channel. Let's go together, people. Come on, let's go. Alright people, welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. Basically what you want to do is you want to, I'm going to post this May 09 live stream video. Inside here, the link, and that video, or if you find it in my uploads, that video will tell you in the beginning, if you listen to me, it'll explain you how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. And also, basically, what you want to do, you want to go into my created playlist. You should check out. There's if you go into my created playlist, you can see some of my other Netflix winning plans. So you can see what I'm about. Before you take any of my plans and everything, you want to know what I'm about, But basically, Netflix and of course UNH is something that I'm looking. This is more of a longer-term trade, and then NVDA and PayPal are really still haven't confirmed yet, but are plans that I'm looking at. So there's a lot of great things happening. Still not a big list, but it's the high probability setups that I'm looking for. Again, people, on confirmation, and that confirmation and ideas are all inside of Power Group Trades. It's very simple to get inside. Just listen to this video carefully and study what I say in my live stream. You'll find it in the beginning of the live stream. You should actually just listen to this whole live stream. It's a great live stream. And this graded playlist, powerful information, people, just powerful. You understand what I'm about. You need to study. You want to have the confidence, the faith in what I'm saying. And when you study this graded playlist, it does give you that power and faith to make great gains. From the big picture expert, helping you with the right things. Let's see what I say. Power Trick or Trade Sam here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like